Sanding into the corners used to be a real problem, but not since I got my RYOBI palm sander. It's so much quicker than manual sanding. It's got these over-mould bumpers to reduce vibration, which is great if you've got a large job to sand or lots of little jobs. The new fan design means the sander won't get hot in my hand. I can use it for longer because the motor stays cooler. And if you're sanding indoors, it's easy to connect a standard shop vac for a healthier and cleaner workplace. So what you get is a really smooth surface that makes painting and staining a breeze. And of course, it uses the same 1+ batteries as my other power tools. This sander takes a standard hook and loop sanding disc that's simple to attach and remove. So, all these features right in the palm of your hand.
RYOBI, a cut above.